Okay, Christine, we created this table here, and I like the way it looks, but now I'm looking at the list below, which is not in the table.
Right.
What's the best way to create a table there?
Okay, so one of the good things about a table is you have all of these options, right? In a list, you do have some options, but it's not as robust as a table. And so if you inherit something or you've already created a list, one really good feature that you can use is converting text to a table. So let's take a look at that. The first thing that we want to do is we want to select everything that we want to convert. So we'll select this entire table, including the headers. You want to make sure you grab those too. All right. Then what we want to do is we want to go to Insert and come to Table, just like we did when we were creating a new one. But instead of choosing the columns and rows and doing that kind of thing, what we want to do is we want to choose Convert Text to Table. So by choosing this, it'll give us a little dialog box that'll say, okay, well, what kind of table do you want to create? So in this particular case, it's going to guess based on what we have selected, and it's saying 3 columns, which is right, and then 5 rows, which is correct. Now, some other things that it's asking us is, how about the column width? How do you want that to be? And auto works for us. And where is it going to separate at? So if you'll remember, when we created this, we separated by tabs. You can separate by commas, you can separate by paragraphs, or you even have this other where you can separate by spaces or dashes or whatever. So depending on how you receive that information, you have to tell it, well, how do we know to put things in the separate columns or the separate rows? And in this particular case, it's by tabs and it's guessing correctly. So we'll leave that at the same. Choose OK.
Oh, wow, look at that.
And bada boom, bada bang, we have a table. Isn't that cool? And now we know by using our Table Tools contextual tab, and then on the Design tab, we have some different options as far as styles. I can come in here and choose a particular style. Let me see if I can find one. And apply that, and now we're in business.